Hi friends, welcome to ZivaLetae'sWorld. Today is Craft Thursday and we're going to be doing Barbie colouring. This is all of the supplies that I will be using for the Barbie colouring craft. Okay, let's get started. What Barbie page are we going to pick from? Oh, what about this one? I like this one. For Barbie's hair, I'll be using a yellow, orange, and possibly brown. Let's sharpen this pencil. Okay friends, ready to see how the photo looks so far? This is what Barbie looks like. Let's carry on. Okay, so I want to draw like a really cute top. So I'm going to draw like strawberries on her t-shirt. So I'm basically going to draw like small teardrops and then we'll colour them in. Hoping these look good. So now I'm just adding the leaves to the strawberry. And friends, what do you think of the strawberries? I don't think it looks that good, but hopefully it will look good at the end. Friends, I thought of a good idea. So instead of just leaving the strawberries like this, I'm going to use a fine liner pen. Okay friends, so here's the strawberry top. What do you think? I actually think it looks good now, with like all the details. I'm quickly just going to add a couple touch-ups to her skin real quick. Okay, so I'm going to use this purple to colour in her t-shirt. Okay, I'm going to use the glitter pen to draw the dog's bow. Okay friends, now I'm going to use gold for Barbie's necklace. Now we're going to use the dark pink and the light pink to draw Barbie's shoes. What's your favourite colour, friends? My favourite colour is purple and blue. The last thing that I'm going to do, friends, is colour in her lips. And I sort of want to add some rosy cheeks, so let's do that. I think Barbie's almost all ready to play with her friends and family in the dream house. Okay friends, here's the finished result of our Barbie doll. What do you think? I really like her. I hope you enjoyed today's craft. See you next Thursday. Bye friends.